Hi everyone, this is Ashlei Williams. I'm the Assistant Editor and Social Media Coordinator for Plumbing Engineer Magazine, and today I am speaking with the Executive Director and CEO of ASPE, Jim Kendzel, as well as Pam Rosenberg, the Manager of Education and Certification. They're speaking with me today about what I like to call brand ambassadors. Before we start, can I just get Jim and Pam to kind of say hello and introduce themselves?
Hello everybody, I'm Jim Kendzel. I'm the Executive Director and CEO of the American Society of Plumbing Engineers and glad to be here.
And I'm Pam Rosenberg. I'm the Manager of Education and Certification for ASPE, and I also manage our social media initiatives.
Thank you, thank you. So diving right into our first question, I guess both of you all can tackle this one and kind of tell me what was the motivation behind having ASPE's Executive Director and CEO on social media?
When I first started with ASPE about 3 years ago, one of the things I realized is we did not have a presence on social media. And so I quickly queried the staff to see who would be interested in taking the lead on getting us into social media and moving us forward in that direction. And Pam stepped forward and has been doing an excellent job in that. And so the concept of being on social media was a no-brainer as far as I was concerned. And then Pam, through her leadership, has driven me to be a major player in our social media strategy, where I do a majority of my presence in social media on Twitter and LinkedIn and sometimes Facebook, representing ASPE as the face of ASPE, either in promoting our upcoming events or ASPE in general, or providing technical information to those who follow us.
Can you kind of describe ASPE's brand, and then both of you, if you want to tackle how that brand is conveyed through Jim's presence on social media as well as the ASPE handle on social media?
Well, I'll take the first stab at that. I think the overall purpose of ASPE is to promote the profession of plumbing engineering and design, as well as to provide technical guidance and leadership in the industry to ensure that our members have the best knowledge available in protecting the public health and safety in their plumbing systems designs, and ensuring that our standards and codes that are developed used in North America and around the world are of sound engineering practice, or based on sound engineering practice. So in fulfilling that purpose, the brand we try to convey and the value we try to convey through our social media and as a society is that we are the source to come to, and to come for resources and information related to plumbing system design. And through our social media strategy, we work very hard in accomplishing and achieving that brand recognition. My role in the social strategy is to provide technical information that I find from meetings that I attend, or that I am reading, or I find from other social media sites, that I can relay that technical information to our followers so that they can be up to date on those issues and comment on those issues.
We also work with the chapters who do have a Facebook presence and say, hey, here's what's going on, this is what's coming up. So that's where we are with Facebook, essentially, and it has taken a while to get to where it is, but I feel that we have a healthy Facebook community now, which we're really excited about. And then LinkedIn is where we have a lot more interaction as far as technical nature goes, more about standards that are coming up or ways to work with our partners to train themselves, essentially. We have a significantly higher follower count or members in LinkedIn, and just trying to find that balance and figure out what works best for both platforms. So.
And for our readers and now viewers, what kind of recommendations and or warnings do you have about having an actual person on social media representing a business or a society or an organization's brand?
To me, the biggest message that I have, or the most significant message I think that I would tell anybody who asks me about starting a social media strategy in their organization, would be to first find that person who is passionate about social media in your organization, and then do not tie their hands with policies and procedures and concerns, and just let that person run and have fun with it. Because that's the way social media is designed. Social media is designed to be an open format for discussion and platforms for discussion. It's not conducive to strict policies and concerns.
And to close, either one of you want to speak on anything we can expect from ASPE on social media in the next coming months, the next year, any things that you all are kind of working on?
Well, this coming next 10 months or so, we're really pushing our 50th anniversary. So that's where a lot of our marketing is going to be, not a lot, but we're going to be marketing the event there and really taking a broader perspective on, what's happening and what's going on and ways to engage, because we have to keep up with trends. And we're going to be providing different mobile platforms for the event and stuff like that. So training our members on how to use these things, and it's going to be a learning curve for all of us because we're taking such big steps in the next 10 months to really promote this big event for us. So, and we're working with a lot of different people to achieve that. Yes.
And I think this is what we're doing right now is a good example of where I hope to see us grow, and that is using more of these video capabilities and podcasts and reaching out in that manner. So I hope that you will be seeing more of me and our faces as we try to reach out through social media. I think we're going to have some exciting things at the Convention Expo in Chicago in September 2014. We're going to have a upgraded meeting convention app that will allow people to, and participants and our members, to interact even greater through the social media links within the application. You're going to see more apps from us. We issued our first app about a year ago, and our members loved it, and so they're going to be seeing more apps that they can use in designing their systems that can allow them to do quick calculations and manipulations through the application that currently don't exist today. So you're going to be seeing more of that from us. A lot of exciting things, a lot of good opportunities that we see in reaching out to our members. And with Pam's leadership, I'm sure it'll get nothing more than better.
Well, thank both of you all for taking the time out of your day to speak with me. For our viewers, if you would like to see more full explanations from Pam and Jim and the feature article I will be writing, you can visit www.plummingengineer.com.